Hello there, my name is Espoir Baraka. I'm a counseling psychologist, and today's topic is men become an emotional giant. Have you ever been hard pressed by problems and issues in life to the point where you start feeling intimidated by your problems? They become as big as an elephant, and then you see yourself as a small, tiny ant. There's a way you can turn that around. And today I'm gonna give you 6 tips that can help you to turn that around. Tip number 1, get close to other people even if you don't feel like it. Most of the time when we are going through a traumatizing moment, a stressful situation, the default thing to do is we try to withdraw from people. But when you do that, it's like you are going into a darker situation in a darker space. That's how depression develops, and that's how people become suicidal. Whereas when you are with other people, they can light your soul up a little bit. They don't need to tell you anything. You just need to be with them. You don't need to tell them much. You just need to be with them. Eventually, you'll start feeling better and better. Tip number 2, it is okay to cry. It starts when we are young. When we tell boys, don't cry. Boys are not supposed to cry. But when we do that, we are basically training our boys to become masters at suppression. Tears are just 1% water and 99% emotions. So let them learn to cry. You should learn to cry. Not just crying, but letting your emotions out. Tip number 3, admit when you feel vulnerable. When you feel anxious, tell someone I feel anxious. When you feel worried, tell someone I feel worried. Admit when you are scared. It is not bad. A man should be also like any other human being. Let it out. And it's for your own good, not for the good of the ones you are telling. Tip number 4, neutralize all myths. What did they say when you are growing up? What did they say about mental health? Did they say that when you seek therapy, you're a weaker person? Did they say when you go to seek a psychologist's advice, you are actually a crazy person? What did they say? Neutralize all these negative myths that do not build you up and do the right thing. Tip number 5, talk about it. Talking about your emotions is actually like emptying your heart, because most of the time our heart is like a bag. And as we are moving and walking the journey of life, we will find positive things which are like flowers, very easy to talk about. But most of the time we face negative and heavy and difficult moments that are like a stone, very heavy. They also go into that heart, but they're hard to tell. You don't tell because you are ashamed sometimes. You don't know the right people to talk to. But I encourage you today to learn to talk about your issues. When you are sharing your issues at first, it may be weird and awkward and difficult, but in the end, it will give you some relief. It's like pressing a pimple. At first, it is hard and painful, but eventually it gives you a permanent relief and peace. Last but not least, tip number 6 is stop self-medicating. Most of the time when people are struggling, they may start drinking excessive alcohol and taking a lot of drugs, and sometimes they take over-the-counter medication. That is not good. Sometimes you're just trying to get rid of the pain very quickly, but you are not dealing with the root cause of the pain. It will keep coming back and it will haunt you, and sometimes you get negative side effects. So learn to seek professional help. Talk to someone professional, a trained psychologist, a trained counselor that can help you find a permanent solution to your problem. A quick recap. Tip number 1 on how to become an emotional giant. Get close to other people, even if you don't feel like it. Tip number 2, it is okay to cry. Tip number 3, admit when you feel vulnerable. Tip number 4, neutralize all myths. Tip number 5, talk about it. When you talk about it, then you are letting it out. You get more open and more freer and more relieved. Tip number 6, stop self-medicating. No doctor can treat themselves. Thanks for watching. You are worthy of happiness and a peace of mind. Don't let anyone take that away from you. My name is Baraka Espoir, and I am hoping to see you again soon.